When you are studying, memorizing is the biggest issue nowadays. Whenever I teach my students, I always observe that they complain about, no, I'm not good at memorization. Do I have to learn this? Do I have to by heart it? And I'm afraid there are few things in science where you have to memorize, right? In reactivity series or periodic table, if you are following CBSE, ICSE, and reactivity series for everyone. Then also understanding that which kind of reactions will be different. In biology, probably learning is more. It could be logical, but it would be more. Even in physics, you might have a formula sheet with you if you follow IGCSE or GCSE. But with CBSE and ICSE, you have to learn the formula also. So now the students, they really are not comfortable, especially the children nowadays. They have so much of digital experiences and this kind of exposure that they don't really want to work that hard. And it becomes a little tricky for me that how to explain that memorizing is not a bad thing. So I decided, let me make a video about it and give you a trick, a tip that how to memorize. Okay. So first of all, memory is a skill, children and parents. Please, memory is having a good memory is an asset. It's not a bad thing. Always it will help you. Okay, whether you are recollecting a data, recollecting a fact from your life, right? Everywhere memory is going to be useful. So have this clarity in your mind that learning something is not a bad thing. Okay, first. Second is that whenever you are learning something, the chapter could be 5 pages long. Okay, what do you do now? I recommend, highly recommend, and that worked for me as a student. And recently, actually, a student asked, which actually kind of motivated to make me this video, that you should, choose some, take a bite. Okay, take a bite, as in, like you read a passage, okay, about digestive system. Let's say you read about something about digestive system, that it starts from where and how it goes, what are the different organs involved, right? So this could be one passage, small passage. Now, what to do about it? First of all, if there is any diagram involved, whether it is physics, chemistry, or biology, okay, go for the diagram first. Learn the diagram. The diagram will give you a kind of, memory which will help you to understand things better, the concepts better, and to retain it better. Okay. After that, read if you can recollect, at least one passage, one paragraph. That's your memory level. Good. If your memory level is skill is not that good, you learn only three sentences. Okay, only three sentences, and just close the book, keep it aside, and you go somewhere else. Okay, maybe in the open, in the garden, wherever you like. And then what you do is you try to recall those three sentences. Now remember, I'm not asking you to recall exact those three sentences. It could be just the important keywords, key points. Okay. Paraphrasing is definitely important because you should have your own language. But if you remember it, then all those key points from those three sentences, you are done. Okay. Now go for the next three. Go for the next three. So bit by bit, drop by drop, you are having those memories created in your brain. After that, let's say that you read one page. Okay, one thing at a time. Don't rush. Don't feel that, oh my God, I have to do so many things. So you have to prioritize time also. Okay. Now you have learned one page. Now, what will you do in the night? Well, let's say that you're going to sleep. Please have a early night for yourself. I would highly recommend by 9:30 or 10 o'clock, you should be definitely asleep, right? You need your sleep. Sleep heals you. Sleep just creates a new version of you every day. So that's why sleep is very important. Now when you are sleeping, what happens is that everything what you have learned, it just start get imprinted very boldly. So when you are going to sleep, just recall quickly what you learned in the daytime. Okay? Try to recall as much as you can. That will help you in two ways. Number one, that you will be able to recall, you have put your effort to recall. The second is most probably you will sleep quickly, right? You'll fall asleep quickly, and then in the next day, most probably you will remember all the facts. That's what we are working for, right? So that's it. This is what I call as a chew cud method. That means you are chewing some facts and cutting like the cud, how the ruminants, as in cows and those animals, they bring out and then then again chew it again and again to increase the surface area of the food and help it to digest faster. Same way, you are learning little bit, small amount, and then just recollecting those facts again and again. And that's why it's called as Chukad method. This is my method, and I always suggest my students to do the same. I really hope that it helps you. And of course, if you want any help with your lesson, you can always come back to me for more and more. Thank you so much for watching. Just keep watching this space and subscribe the channel, because I'm going to upload many more videos about the lessons and how you can learn more things. Thank you so much.